Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. West Dover is a small coastal community on the eastern shore of Nova Scotia, located along the famous Lighthouse Route and part of the Halifax Regional Municipality. It sits about 40 kilometers southwest of downtown Halifax and is known for its rugged coastline, fishing heritage, and scenic Atlantic views. The community is closely connected to nearby villages such as Dover and Peggy's Cove. West Dover is home to a small population of only a few hundred residents, typical of many rural communities along Nova Scotia's south shore. While the area remains quiet year-round, seasonal tourism brings additional visitors during the warmer months as people explore the coastline and nearby attractions. The region offers a slower pace of life that appeals to retirees, families, and those seeking coastal living. Fishing has long been one of the most important industries in West Dover. Generations of residents have worked in lobster fishing, crab harvesting, and other commercial fisheries that remain central to the local economy. Marine services, boat maintenance, and seafood processing also provide employment. In recent decades, tourism has become increasingly important, with jobs in hospitality, accommodations, restaurants, and recreational services. The history of West Dover is closely tied to the sea. European settlement in the area began in the 18th century as fishing communities developed along Nova Scotia's coast. Harsh weather and the Atlantic Ocean shaped daily life, and families often depended on fishing and seafaring for their livelihoods. Small coastal communities like West Dover played an important role in supplying seafood to local and international markets. Nearby, Peggy's Cove became internationally known after its lighthouse was built in the 19th century. The surrounding coastline, including West Dover, has long attracted artists, photographers, and visitors drawn to the dramatic granite landscapes and ocean scenery. The area's natural beauty has helped preserve its identity while supporting tourism and local businesses. West Dover experiences a maritime climate influenced by the Atlantic Ocean. Summers are generally mild and pleasant, while winters are moderated by the ocean compared with inland parts of Canada. Fog is common along the coast, especially during spring and early summer, creating the distinctive atmosphere for which Nova Scotia's shoreline is famous. Housing in West Dover reflects its coastal setting. Properties range from traditional fishing homes to modern waterfront residences. Home prices vary widely depending on ocean access and views, but homes in the Greater Halifax region have averaged roughly $600,000 in recent years, while desirable coastal properties often sell for significantly more. Rising demand for rural and waterfront homes has increased property values across much of Nova Scotia. Today, West Dover remains a community that balances its traditional fishing routes with modern tourism and residential growth. Its combination of working waterfronts, scenic landscapes, and proximity to Halifax gives it a unique place within Nova Scotia. For many residents and visitors, West Dover represents the enduring connection between coastal communities and the Atlantic Ocean that has shaped this region for centuries.
Thanks for watching!